Denne teksten skal brukes som grunnlag for å skrive en tekst på heldagsprøva i desember. Det er derfor viktig at du lærer deg denne teksten godt, både å lese den med flyt, de nye ordene, og så må du vite hva den handler om. Jeg leser og deler opp setningene. Du setter på pause der du mener det er greit å sette på pause. Gjenta etter meg. Shark attack survivor. Bethany Hamilton was born in Hawaii, USA in 1990. From an early age, she loved being in the water and soon became a talented surfer. In 2003, at the age of 13, Bethany was attacked by a shark which bit her arm off. Against all odds, she returned to surfing and has been very successful. She published her autobiography, Soul Surfer, in 2004, and this book was turned into a film in 2011. This is the opening page from Soul Surfer, about the day she will never forget. It came literally out of the blue. I had no warning at all, not even the slightest hint of danger on the horizon. The water was crystal clear and calm. It was more like swimming in a pool, rather than the deep ocean waters of Kauai, Hawaii, where I go almost every morning to surf with my friend, Alana Blanchard, or the other girls on the Hanalei girls surf team. The waves were small and inconsistent, and I was just kind of rolling along with them, relaxing on my board with my right hand. On the nose of the board, and my left arm dangling in the cool water. I remember thinking, I hope the surf picks up soon, when suddenly there was a flash of grey. That's all it took. A split second. I felt a lot of pressure and a couple of lightning fast tugs. I couldn't make out any of the details, but I knew that the huge jaws of a 15-foot tiger shark covered the top of my board and my left arm. Then I watched in shock as the water around me turned bright red. Somehow I stayed calm and started to paddle toward the beach. My left arm was gone almost to the armpit, along with a huge crescent-shaped chunk of my red, white and blue surfboard. Bethany fought her way back to surfing and has become really successful, taking part in and even winning many competitions. Her book and the film made an inspiration for many young people.